Hey, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, Alex. Good morning. I'm doing pretty well. I had my coffee, so that helps a lot. How about you?
Same here. I feel much better after coffee. Before coffee, my English is very bad.
Oh, yes, me too. No coffee, no words.
By the way, for people watching, I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We're from the United States, and today we're just talking like friends.
Yes, very relaxed, very simple English.
And today's topic is something we both love. It's about improving your English with daily listening challenges.
Yes, listening. One of the most important skills.
And also one of the hardest for beginners.
True. When I was learning another language, listening was very difficult for me.
Really? What language were you learning?
Spanish. I studied it in school. I could read a little, I could write a little, but when people spoke, I understood almost nothing.
Yes, that feeling is very common.
I remember thinking, why do they speak so fast?
Exactly. And native speakers don't think they are speaking fast.
Right. They are just talking normally. What is a daily listening challenge?
So let's start very simple. What is a daily listening challenge?
Good question. In easy words, it means you listen to English every day.
Not one time a week, not only on weekends. Every day.
Even a short time. 5 minutes is okay.
Yes, 5 to 10 minutes is perfect for beginners.
The key word is daily.
Exactly, because English is like a muscle.
If you don't use it, it becomes weak.
But if you use it a little every day, it becomes strong.
Why listening is so important? Why do you think listening is so important?
Because listening helps your brain learn the sound of English.
Yes, the rhythm, the pronunciation.
When you listen a lot, your brain starts to say, oh, this sounds right.
Even before you understand everything.
Exactly. Understanding comes later.
That's very important for beginners to know.
Yes, you don't need to understand 100%.
Even 30% is okay at first.
And slowly, that 30% becomes 40, then 60, then more.
A small personal story. Can I share a small story?
Of course. I love stories.
When I was learning Spanish, I listened to Spanish radio every morning.
Did you understand it?
Honestly, almost nothing.
Then why did you listen?
Because my teacher told me, just listen, don't worry.
That's good advice.
After some weeks, I started to hear familiar words.
Like magic.
Yes, not fast magic, slow magic.
I like that. Slow magic. Simple daily listening ideas. Now let's help our viewers. What are some easy daily listening challenges?
Okay, idea number 1. Listen to short English videos.
Like YouTube videos for beginners.
Yes, videos with clear voices, slow English.
And subtitles can help.
English subtitles, not your native language.
Very important point.
Idea number 2. Listen to English while doing daily work
Like cooking
or cleaning.
or walking.
You don't need to sit and study.
Just let English play in the background. Idea number 3, listen to the same audio again and again.
Oh yes, this is very powerful.
Many beginners think, I already listened. I need something new.
But repetition is your friend.
The second time is easier. The third time is even easier.
And you feel happy. Smiles.
That feeling is great.
A very simple daily challenge plan. Let's make a very simple plan.
Yes, very easy.
Step 1. Choose one short English audio or video.
Step 2. Listen for 5 minutes.
Step 3. Don't stop the audio.
Don't translate every word.
Just listen.
Step 4. Do this every day.
That's it.
Simple, right?
Very simple, but very effective.
Listening and feelings. Emma, did you ever feel shy speaking English?
Even as a native speaker,
Sometimes, yes.
Really?
Yes, especially in public speaking.
That's interesting.
For learners, listening helps reduce fear.
Because your brain gets used to English.
Yes, English feels less scary.
More friendly. A small challenge for viewers.
Let's give our viewers a small challenge.
Okay, I like challenges.
For the next 7 days, listen to English every day.
Just 5 minutes.
Same time every day if possible.
Morning is good.
Or night, before sleep.
And after 7 days, notice how you feel.
You may not speak perfectly,
But your ears will feel better.
and that's a big win.
Light humor moment. Sometimes I talk to myself in English.
I do that too.
People look at me like, is he okay?
Same, but it helps.
Listening helps you talk to yourself better.
That sounds funny, but it's true.
Final thoughts. So Emma, what is the big message today?
I think it's this. You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to be consistent.
Small listening every day is better than long study one day.
English is a journey,
And listening is the first step.
a very important step.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Yes, thank you so much.
Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and be kind to yourself.
See you next time.
Bye. Smiles and waves.